Hey guys, this is my 30 in 2019 skincare project pan intro. It's gonna be a long one. I'm gonna try and breeze through it. Okay, so let's just begin. Okay, the first thing that I have is the Freeman cucumber mask, and this one I've no idea of seeing through the packaging, so I took the weight of it, and this is 114 grams, 114 grams. And then the next thing that I have is brand new. I've used this like once or twice. It's so full that it is just like popping up every single time I open it, and this is the Canmake lash care essence, which you use day or night. I just only like to use it at night on my lashes. Next product, this is the eSpa Optimal Skin Pro Serum, and just nice I am actually at this line over here, so this is where I'm beginning. I would say I'm halfway through this bottle. And then the next thing that I have is from Burt's Bees, and this is a lip balm. It is just a clear lip balm, and this is where I am beginning. I have a huge amount of progress to go. I was actually pretty shocked when I wind it up just now to measure this. Moving on, the next item, this is from Skin Aqua, and this is the Tone Up UV Essence. I'm gonna be using this as an SPF because it comes with SPF 50, and this one I took the weight. This is 86 grams. And then the next thing that I have is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Ultra Repair Cream. So far I would say I'm liking it, but this is not as great as what everybody is hyping it up to be. And I took the grams for this. This is 41 grams. And then the next thing that I have is from Bio Essence. It is this hefty bottle, a tub. Actually, I don't have much left, so I'm just gonna be showing you what I have left. This is what I have. It is just covering the bottom, but I only use ever so slightly, like just a little tiny bit, lesser than the amount of eye cream that I use, and I don't even use it every day. I use it on the V line here. So the next thing that I'm putting in, this is actually pretty brand new. I just opened it. This is from Boots, and it's the Cucumber Moisturizing Cream. And I took the weight for this. This is 107 grams. It is so full, it is almost spilling out. Okay, we have more new products. Some of them are even still brand new in the box. This one, I just took it out of the box. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic. I really like it. It has my name on it. It's very adorable. It is brand new. This is where I am beginning. And then another one that is brand new, and it's also like for exfoliation. This is the BHA Blackhead Power Liquid, and this is from the brand CosRX. And I am beginning around here, but I used it once, that's why I'm there, but it's like brand new actually. And then the next thing that I have brand new in box, this is from Too Cool for School, and this is the Egg Mousse Pack. So it's like a wash off mask. Let me take it out of the box for you. I'm not putting the weight, or I didn't measure the weight of this because this is just brand new in the box. Okay, I think we're going through at a pretty good speed. I'm not giving you any long descriptions of what the function is of each item. I'm thinking that would be more in the updates when I use them up, and also in the empties. So now I'm just introducing them to you. This is from La Palette Beauty. It's the Floral Peace Cleansing Oil. So you can see like rose petals here. It just went everywhere. You just shake it up. This is the line that I'm beginning. I am halfway through the bottle. Everywhere. Okay, let's go to something that is very well sealed. This is from the brand HYGGE. I don't know if they call it Huga or they call it Hyg, but this is a bar soap. I even have it in a branded container, lock and lock container. So it is a bar soap. This is where I am beginning, brand new. I've used it once, which is why it is in a container. So you can see it's a substantial bar of soap. Okay, next, everybody has Cetaphil. This is the Oily Skin Cleanser, and I measured it. This is where I am right now, at this line over here. It's just a facial cleanser that I'm using. And then another thing that I took from my bath, I really want to use up all these bath products because they get really yucky after a while when I leave them in the bath. This is where I am now, and this is the St. Ives or St. Ives Gentle Smoothing Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. I really like this product. Okay, and then the next one that I have brand new in the box, this is from Huxley, and this is the Secret of Sahara Cleansing Foam. It's one of those new things where it's a new line and a new bottle for me. I don't know when I'll break into that. And then the next thing that I have, this is from Andlab. I actually have this in my 2018 project, so I've used it a couple times now. This is a SPF cushion foundation, so I'm thinking that would not be good for the face, but probably good for the body and the neck. So you can see a lot of white still. There's a lot of product. Not gonna squeeze down on it. A lot of things will come up. That sounds wrong. Okay. Anyway, then we have this, which is from Wish Trend. This is the Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water, and this is where I am beginning. Oh yeah, I'm about like halfway through it. This line over here is where I'm beginning. And then I have another one also exfoliating. This is from Pixie, and this is the famous Overnight Glow Serum Concentrated Exfoliating Gel. And the line is, if I'm not blinding you, this is the line that I'm beginning, and it is a very thick gel, so you only use like such a little amount each time. Okay, next, this is a product that I really liked. This is from Klarity. It's the Diamond Glow Overnight Mask. I'm gonna show it to you. It's one of those sleeping masks. It's very thick consistency. I would say jelly-like. So, oh, it smells good. You can still see a lot. There's no pen showing, so I'm gonna try and use this up soon. I would say I have at least half left. And then another cream that I have, this is an eye cream, and this is from the brand Derma E. It is the Advanced Peptides and Collagen Eye Cream, and it's kind of like sliding to the side, so you can see, like, I guess you can call it side pan, but that's just because it will slide around easily. So I would say I have like a bottom layer of it left. And then the next thing that I have might seem a little bit strange. This is from the brand Phytopia, and they call it Slimway. Shape and revitalize your body naturally. So it's not like I want to slim down, but I would say I want to tone up the flabby areas. So I have it, so I just want to use it up. That's it. This is where I'm beginning. I would say I'm halfway through. Oh, this is a brand new item. This is from Soleil, and it's the Love Me White Cream 70 ml. Through the light I can see like it's like not straight, but it's actually brand new. I've never used it. Oh, I guess it didn't come with a seal. So it's just like a hair. It's just like a whitening cream. And then another new product. This one is in the box. This is from Bendita Luxe or Bendita Luxe. I don't know how to pronounce. It looks massive. Wow, the size of my head. This one is a brand new body lotion. Let me show you. Oh, it's very big, my goodness. It's a big tub. This is how many grams, my goodness? 200 ml. Of course, this is a one whole year project, but this is already February, so I would say, let's just call it March. We're beginning in March. I'm gonna try and use up at least 30 skincare products, like including hair, skin, body. Because I'm on a skincare no-buy, this is like 30 products here. I still have drawers full of backups. Next up, we have Hada Labo. This is the hydrating lotion, and this is where I am beginning. Okay, this makes me feel a little bit better because, not bad, I'm so close to finishing. Oh, I have a lot of this kind of items where I'm so close to finishing and I open a new one because of the, I wouldn't say nature of my job, but because I like to review things and try things, I guess. Okay, so this one is from Dickinson. It's the original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. And this is where I'm beginning. This line over here, which is also a good thing because I need to be using more toners regularly. And then next up, I have this one from Grow Gorgeous. It smells so good. The Grow Gorgeous products all smell so good, really. Amazing. This is the Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. This one, I took the weight. This is 44 grams. The original one is 50 ml. So I'm 44 grams now. I've used it 1 or 2 times. And then the same thing, Grow Gorgeous, but this is brand new in the box. This is the Hair Growth Serum Intense. So let me take this out and show you. It is 60 ml. It looks like a big box, but that's just because it comes with this. And then the little dropper applicator. It smells really good. So it says apply 20 drops once daily to the scalp, either in the morning or in the evening. 20 sounds like a lot. Wow, okay, I'm gonna try and use this because the wedding is coming up, so it'll be nice if my hair is even longer then. So, I don't know, maybe you can do more things when my hair is longer. Alright, 2 more products, and this one is from Loreal. This is the Mythic oil. It is basically a nourishing oil for all hair types. This is the line that I'm beginning at. Let me point it better over here. And it's just one of those oils that I use after I exit the shower. And then the last one that I have is also for the hair, and it's brand new in the box. And it's a big size. It is just like the body lotion size. This one is a lift-in treatment enriching night, which means it's for the night time. It's the Hey Do Yoza. Basically, it's a Korean brand, a hair cream, and it is brand new silk. And this one is 180 ml. Alright, so that's 30 products in the skincare category. I have a makeup project pan which should be up by now. So I'm doing a makeup project pan, a skincare project pan. I'm gonna try and use up all the stuffs that I have first before buying any more. So I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!